Now this is a kid's surprise toy. And the first surprise is that it's a huge pain in the ass to get it open. Once you finally get inside, you'll find some magic powder which you have to add onto the top. Just put on some water, watch it fizz away. But it's disappointing. It's not even spring loaded or anything. You get a piece of plastic inside. Now I believe we can do better. Just need some adult stuff like fire and alcohol. Step 1. We're going to need a nice box. Luckily, the thrift shop giveth. You can complain about how I ruined a priceless antique in the comments below. It's even dirty on the inside, a truly adult experience. Now, just gotta clear out the inside so we can get to work. This stuff is glued in way too well, but I got it cleared all out in the end. Step 2. The launch pad. This scrap piece of wood should work just fine, and I'll salvage a nice spring from this kid's toy. Well, it took me 6 hours, but I finally got in. So, first the spring, then we add the scrap piece of wood on top. Now we add the alcohol that I bought. Let's try it out. Whoop. Works like a charm. This is editing me really quickly including this. The alcohol I got is called Vlugel. I think it's specifically Dutch. So if you don't know what it is, yeah, it's just a little shot. But it tastes like crap, so don't bother looking it up. Now, we have to hold the alcohol in place so it doesn't blow its load prematurely. So we're gonna use paper, which, hint hint, can burn, which is where the fire gets involved. But first, we gotta anchor it. Time for zip ties. Great, too short. Just gotta double up. And I forgot to drill a hole to anchor the spring. Final product is coming together, but for the last step I'm going to need some fireworks. Sadly enough, those are illegal in the Netherlands. So I have to go to a place as Dutch people fear. Belgium, because fireworks are legal there. Luckily Belgium is not that far, so I went out for a short walk. And soon we arrived in the land of waffles. Rah! New desk. Yeah, my brother lives in Belgium, so given that fireworks are legal in the Netherlands, I have to light everything here. What I ended up getting were ground blooms. Now ground blooms, they do this. However, if you hold them, they do this. Now I think it goes without saying, but you shouldn't hold fireworks. Nevertheless, anchoring these will give us the exact effect we need. First, however, we have to do some quick updates on the paper. If we glue in some fuse at the right spot, once the fuse burns up, it will light up the paper and then it can pop open. So, attach your fuse and then spend about 5 hours trying to actually get this piece of shit closed. Here it is, alcohol in place. I know it's already trying to pop out, but it's a prototype. Just suck it up. Time to glue in all the fireworks. And wire them to the fuse. Glued a piece of paper over, but I forgot to turn on the camera. Anyway, this is the final product. Let's try it out. Five hours later. Now, I know that didn't go exactly the way I thought it was gonna go. But guess what? It did pop anyway. so I count it as a success. Have a good day.